site, we just pull. When we
Oh
get
my
to the
gosh.
road, just pull straight in because that's the way the hookups are.
That's awesome.
She said it's one of the easier ones to get.
Thank you.
Well, I mean, I booked a pull to your site.
Oh my gosh. This is nice. Perfectly level spots.
And Firewood's sitting right beside our fire pit.
And we got all that living space.
Yeah.
Nice. Very nice.
And, take it out.
Wheels just hit the pad.
And then they're buddy sites, so like that one and that one are buddy sites with the fireplace thing in between them.
And that's a buddy side.
Those two are.
Oh, okay. Oh, so there's a fireplace
Yes,
on that
way.
end.
And, yeah, in the middle between them.
Well, let's just pull around and be their buddy. What do you think?
And I think there's possibly buddy sites over there too. But,
That is cool. Yeah, because I see the big fire.
and then there's a couple of deluxe sites that have fireplace things, but not buddy. But still. Okay, you want me to see if we're level?
Yep, they got a beach right over there.
Your feet down so you. Watch out, watch out.
I don't know, I think my legs are a little too long for that. Come here. You go down with me?
Yeah.
Yeah. You see the poles there in the middle? I don't know. Oh, you ready?
Yeah.
You got control, let go.
It's supposed to be pickleball, I think. Something. That's a Gaga Ball.
And they got the basketball at a dog park. Yep. But yeah, I seen somebody out here kayaking a little while ago.
Yeah.
And then that one's for fishing.
Yeah.
And they got a walk across bridge.
Yeah. And then there's
That's so
something over
cool.
there and some cabins up there.
Yeah, they got some cabins going on. Maybe a duck house or something there. And then... Slow down. Slow down. Slow down. You want me to go down the slide with you?
No.
No?
It's a case.
Lucas is going to, huh? Good job.
Come on. Let's try again.
You again.
Come on. Man.
You're wearing me out.
Come on, man.
I'm sweating, dude.
Come on, man.
Come on, man.
Lucas is going to meet you up there. They're going to meet in the middle. Hopefully. Yep. No trips to the hospital, please. Goes for you too, Evan. This is kind of scary. Boink, 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 boink. Look like a pinball coming in there. I've counted 3 come around there at one time.
Well, I knew at least 2.
Yeah.
That one over there, and then the driver. And then there, then that
Little one.
vintage looking one.
And then one of the big ones pulled in. I can't remember. It might have been that one. Yeah, there's been several pull in. Hang on, bud. You wanna hold it? Oh.
Show muscle.
It's gonna aerial view of that. How's that? Now we got the full effect of the fire. That's a lot better.
You don't like getting so off in the rain.
What?
I like it off her.
Can you get it?
Not sure. I don't want
Not sure.
Want me to help you? Want me to help you?
to. No. Not sure.
You'll get it.
Not sure.
Not sure.
Not
help
sure. Not sure.
You want me to help you?
No.
Okay. Nope.
There.
Nope. Nope. I don't want no help.
I know what.
Hmm. Mm-hmm.
You don't want what?
What?
You don't want it's getting your tiny, you don't want. You don't want the tiny, you don't want.
Well, you tell me how you want it. Mm-hmm. You tell me how you want it. Yep.
Sticking the rope.
Okay, is that how you want it?
Yep.
Yep.
That's how I want.
That's how I want it.
Yep. You're up.
Okay.
There.
Well, that's pretty cool. I like that. That's a good idea.
You
Put it on your ankle instead of your wrist.
say
Mm-hmm.
you suck at it.
Yep, I know.
Oh, keep on.
Okay.
Don't want high roll. I know. Whoa!
You are the boss, aren't you?
Whoa!
Wow.
Whoa! Whoa! You don't want.
Would you quit playing with that thing?
Yeah, I'm afraid.
Yeah, I'm playing with it. I know.
Whoa! That is a kicking line. Can I need it?
Hmm?
And then the little one. Ooh, yay! I already know.
Hey, Evan, I love you.
I love you.